So today I'm going to be comparing a tongue drum and a frame drum. And these two instruments have a lot of similarities, but a lot of difference. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's really nice about each of them. First, we're going to spend some time just focusing on the sounds that they make. So a tongue drum sounds like this. And a frame drum sounds like this. So you may ask, well, which one's easier to learn how to play? If you have no musical background, both of these are actually really approachable. The tongue drum has different notes, but if you get one in a pentatonic scale, it's really easy to pick it up and start playing because all of the notes blend together really harmoniously. The tongue drum, however, is more focused, I would say, on melody and using different notes to blend and create a sound that has different scales and different notes and pitches. The frame drum is great if you really want to just hone in on rhythm and using rhythm and beats and steady grounding tools to just help with learning basic beats and working on coordination. Is very approachable when you have one that just uses a beater and just a drum like this that you can hold. You basically can start playing right away. The next thing I want to talk about is uses for both of these drums. The tongue drum and frame drum are both really wonderful to play just for fun, but they also are great if you're using them for meditative practices, for sound healing, for group playing, or just jam sessions. The tongue drum has a lot of dynamic range when you think about the different notes you can play. You can use it as a pulse instrument where you're keeping a steady beat, just like a frame drum. And it still has a lot of resonant sound and good vibration if you're using it for sound healing. The sound really carries and is very vibrant. The frame drum is also great as a meditative tool. You can learn a lot with your coordination and just being in rhythm. And if you find one that has really low tones, you can get a wonderful vibrational sound with this instrument as well. So in general, both of these instruments are really wonderful if you're a beginner and just want to start off learning about rhythm or playing something that has beautiful sound. I would say the tongue drum is more focused on melody. So if you're using sound for soothing or just like calming and playing, it's a really great like meditative focus for melody. And the frame drum is wonderful if you're focused more on consistent beats for doing deep meditation and keeping a focused pattern. And this one's more geared towards just rhythm. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more in-depth tutorials on how to play the tongue drum, just check out the description below. I also have links to my Etsy shop for all the tools and accessories you see me using in my videos. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe.